First step, you need a creative brief. Basically, this is your map or your North Star. Ito yung mag-guide sa'yo throughout the process. Ito yung babalik-balikan mo na document habang ginagawa mo yung logo design. Pwedeng during mood board, during design executions, hanggang presentation. Andito nakalagay yung overview, ano yung details ng project, ano yung objectives, ano yung goals. If hindi mo alam ano yung goal, you don't know where to start, you don't know anong gusto mong mangyari, anong gusto ng client mo. So very important to define ano yung goals, ano yung gusto mong i-achieve ng logo na to. If meron kang creative brief, kailangan mong i-immerse yung sarili mo dun sa document kasi dun mo ma-feel ano yung right and wrong design, ano yung good and bad design for this logo. Kailangan mong immerse yung sarili mo kung ano yung brand personality ng logos, ano yung mga keywords, ano yung mga design styles and inspirations na ibabangga mo dito sa logo design, ano yung mga deliverables, andito rin nakalagay sa creative brief na to. So yan, very important to start with creative brief. Immerse yourself to that document, digest all the information before proceeding to the next step. Step 2, mood boarding.